Good morning, Philippines! Hello, vlog! Hello, hello! Another day, vlog, another day. Hello, hello, Philippines! We're in the Philippines right now, guys, for summer vacation 2025. Let's go! Maghatid lang po ako ng stock. Hi! Balik ko ito doon. Isda! Bili ka ng isda po! Isda kayo dyan! Mura lang! Isda kayo dyan! Patas na po ang sun. Sunrise na po. Ito ang ating breakfast. Let's go yatin natin breakfast natin dun sa chef. Before we have to turn around in the backyard. Opo, atin is the backyard. Ang dumi-dumi na backyard. Tumigil ka, aso ka. Yan, backyard. Puro ng dahon, mapunong kahoy. Tira sa bagyo po ito, mga to. Tira sa bagyo. Ang daming guys, oh. Yun, nyug. Let's walking around. This is the view of the province. Oh my God. Ang daming bulaklak. Daming bulak. Pang dinengdeng, guys. Dinengdeng. 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 Ito, yun. Bulaklak. Bulaklak ng bayan. Kasama rin ang ating saluyot. Ayan, saluyot. Magkano yung saluyot? Kamas yung saluyot siya. Bulaklak ng kalabasa. Ayan, sa kalabasa over there. Let's go, kalabasa. There, kalabasa. Saan pa iba? Saan pa iba? Tumigil kayo. Talo ka ng tuloy. Pupulutanin kita dyan eh. Ayan ang nyug. Ayan ang nyug. Alright. Ayan ang nyug natin. Good morning, Philippines. It's the first day of Philippines. Second day of Philippines. Sorry na. Ayun ang papaya. Ayun ang isa. Calabazo. 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 Oh my God. Let's go. The backyard. Pumayos ka dyan. Yay. Saluyot. Ang daming saluyot, guys. Daming saluyot. Dito muna tayo. Dito muna kayo, ha. Hatid ko lang ating breakfast sa kabila. Let's go, guys. Hinatid ko muna yung ating breakfast doon sa chef. Gala tayo muna tayo. Gala, gala. Gala, gala. Today is my birthday. Today is my birthday. Today is my birthday. Oh, sobra ito ng bagyo guys. Oh, sobra ng bagyo. Nawala na ano na sila. Santol po yan, santol. Santol. Santol po yan. Ang taas oh. Santol. Santol. Bugnay. Bugnay po yan, bugnay. Ito, bugnay. Bugnay. Ating ano. You know this guys, kuliglig, kuliglig. Saluyot. Saluyot ng bayan. Pitas tayo saluyot. Daming gulay guys, galing sa luyot. Saluyot, paksiw natin sa luyot. Saluyot. Saluyot, saluyot. Paksiw sa luyot, masarap. Healthy. Healthy sa luyot. Healthy ever. Meron tayong nakuha. Meron tayong nakuha sa luyot. This sa luyot. Let's go around guys. Kalabasa. Na-dry na oh. Because the weather is hot. Look at the squash. This the saluyot, this the papaya, agave, and this the what's this avocado? Coconut. Let's go. Oh, ampalaya! Look at the crawling ampalaya over here. Look at this. This is the delicious one. Yung tawag doon, amiling na papaya, papaya. Amiling na ano? Oh. To, sitaw. Sitaw, sarap pag sitaw, kalabasa. Ang sarap mga, oy, 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 oy. Oh my God, this is my backyard guys. Too much saluyot over there. Hello, bundok. This is a bundok there guys, there, bundok. Bundok, ibok. There. Alright, ito po ang tira ng bagyo. Ayun po ang resultang bagyo na sunod na 3 bagyo ata. Yun na 4 na bagyo guys. Ito wala na. Mga puno ng nyog. Hindi na nagbubunga dahil na ano na ata. Nagpasubnod na. Opo, less ano na ngayon. Less trees. Less dahon. Kasi ano tira nga yung bagyo. Sunod last year ba yun? Yeah, last year. Opo, you can see out at the backyard. Over there, let's go. This is the second day, my second day in the Philippines. Right there, look at that. That's the planting of the corn or the what is this, watermelon? Yeah, that's the part. And there's a river over there. There's the part, the view of province, a part of the Luzon. Yeah, opo. There's a music. Let's go out in here. Thank you so much for watching. There's my plant before guys. I planted. Look at this, a flower over there. A small kubo. Papaya over there. May bunga wala. Lapit tayo. Ayun, may bunga dun sa taas. May bunga. Ayan o, it's growing. Part of the province. That's the view of the province guys. We're not in the city. Opo, we're not in the city. This is the province. That's the view of the province. Look at this, palaya again. Yun yung halaman ko nila last 2023, guys. Yung ano, oh my God, ang daming saluyot too, guys. Oh, daming saluyot. Saluyots everywhere. Oh my God, magsasawa ako ng saluyot. Saluyot is life. Saluyot is life. Saluyot is life. There. Saluyot. Saluyot. There. Saluyot. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Mangga po yan. Mangga. It's our neighborhood. Oh, look at my neighborhood. There. Oh yeah, thank you Lord. Today is my birthday, guys. I wish for like 7 years or 8 years that I'm celebrating again my birthday here in the Philippines. Oh, may bunga. May bunga. Oh. May bunga, guys. So, ayun. Oh. May bunga siya. Ayun. Ayun. Tatago. Nyug. Oh. Maliliit. Maliliit. Parang walang laman. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. This is my small backyard and simple backyard na marumi. Tira-tira ng bagyo. Opo. Bye-bye po. Salamat. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.